natin siguro. Shall we start? Class, shall we start?
Okay po, ma'am. Sige po. Sige po.
Kasi yung mga data nyo baka maubos. Anyway, mayroong question. Nasaan ba si... Andito ba si Gisalva? Nandiyan ba si Gisalva?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Anong question mo ulit?
Yung pag ano po, ma'am, pag XYZ po, inad sa
Yeah.
1, equals to 1 pa rin po ba yun, ma'am?
Anong statement niya? X,
YZ po, plus 1.
YZ plus 1 is equal to 1. May ganun ba?
Kasi nakita ko lang po sa... Nakita ko lang po sa single variable na rule, x plus 1 is equals to 1 po. Pwede po ba i-apply yun, ma'am?
Depende. Paano ba ang ilagay mo dito sa chat box yung equation niya? YZ plus 1 is equal to 1. More or less siguro, no? Kasi whatever yung YZ 1. 1 pa rin yung sagot niya. Whether YZ is 0 or 1.
So, accepted pa rin po yun, ma'am?
More or less, hindi ko sure kung ano eh. Kasi kung whatever the YZ, either 0 or 1 yung YZ, 1 pa rin siya.
Okay po. Thank you, ma'am.
Para hindi nakakalito sa inyo, class, make it step by step yung pag-ano nyo. Ang tawag nun? Pag-simplify using Boolean algebra. Ha? Hindi, wag yung i-cluster or i-clump yung pag-ano nyo, simplify. Unti-unti lang. One step at a time. Okay? Kasi nakakalito kasi yung parang biglaang gusto mo na agad masimplify lahat. Ano nakikita nyo sa screen?
Yung truth table po, ma'am.
Okay. Truth table. Yeah. May sagot na kayo dito? So, hindi ko na i-discuss to, ha? Dito tayo sa sunod na activity. Okay? So, we have generate the truth table of the following given expressions. So, dito na tayo. So, ito naman baliktad, class. So, ang given is, the usual route is that the truth table is given. Then from truth table, so, you generate the Boolean equation, then you simplify using Boolean algebra, then you have the simplified Boolean equation. Tama ba? So in this case, we have, ang given naman is the simplified Boolean equation. So ang generate naman natin is this one. Okay? So first, so we have, for number 1, so we have y is equal to a prime b plus b prime c. So ilang inputs kaya to? Alin ang output? Alin ang input? So ilan ang inputs natin? Class. Idea? How many inputs?
Dalawa po, ma'am.
Yes, dalawa. Then, output is? Ilan ang output natin? Okay, so we have... Okay, so we have... So, nalalaman na agad, di ba? Based on equation. Unang tingin pa lang sa equation, you already know. Okay, it's obvious, no? So, we have A and B as your inputs. So, we have Y as the output. So, we have inputs here. In, then you have the out. Okay, so you have in here. Okay, so we have two inputs. So, this time, so we have two inputs. Okay, so we have A and B, one output Y. So if you have two inputs, how many possibilities? 2 to the n. Tama ba? 2 to the n. So if you have 2 raised to 2, where n is the number of inputs. So if you have 2 inputs, 2 raised to 2, so how many possibilities? How many
4 po,
possibilities?
ma'am.
Okay, so we shall have 4. Okay, so we have in a binary sequence. So we start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, so total of 4 possibilities. Okay, so we have A prime B. So take note that this is minterm or max term, yung given equation. Is it in sum of products or product of sum? Dalawa yan, di ba? So it's either sum of products, sum of product or product of sum. Ito naman, ano siya? Sum of product or product of sums?
SOP po, ma'am.
Sum of products or product of sums? Okay, sum of products. Okay, so you get the products, then you add. Okay, and sum of products is, what is this? Minterm max terms. Class. Minterm max terms. Sum of
Minterms
products.
po, ma'am.
Okay. Minterms.
Maxterm
Yung
po.
iba, sumagot naman kayo.
Maxterm po, ma'am.
Max
Minterm.
terms? Minterms. Okay. Sum of products is minterms. Okay? Minterms yan. Okay. Minterms. Okay? Sum of products, minterms. Pag max terms, product of sums. Okay? So wala tayong example ng product of sums. Okay, so this is sum of products. So when you say minterms, again, so it corresponds to the output of ano? Output of 1 or 0?
1.
Okay, output of 1. Okay? So sabi dito, A prime B. So when we say A prime B, A is, so when we say A prime, ano ibig sabihin? A is 0 or 1?
0.
Okay,
Zero.
0. B is
1.
1. So it means this is A prime, A is 0, B is 1. So where is that? So ito yung combination na yun. Diba? So A
Yeah.
prime, this is A prime B. Okay?
Okay.
So the output for A prime B is, what is the output? Because this is minterms, diba? The output is, what is the output? A prime B. Sabi natin, this is in sum of products, which is minterms, and the output of 1. So this is the
1.
output of 1. So therefore, if you have A prime B statement, so this is A prime B, wherein A is 0, B is 1, then the output is
1.
1. Then next, we have next term is B prime C. I'm sorry, so we have C. So we have to add. We have to add insert column. Okay. C. Tatlo pala to eh.
Daming dala.
Okay, tatlo.
Okay.
So we have 3. Okay, sabi natin.
So,
2 to the
papalitan.
3, ilan? 2 to the 3 class, ilan? You have 3 inputs, 2 to the n. N is 3. 2 raised to 3.
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 na ba to?
Apa.
Okay. So sabi natin, the MSB, so it follows 0101 pattern. So we have 01 repeated 1. So 01, 01, 01, 01. Then for B, 01 pa rin. 011, 01, repeated twice. So we have to repeat 0 twice, then 1 twice, then 0, 0 twice, then 1, 1 twice. Then we have here 2 to the 3. So 4 times, 2 to the 2. 4 times. So 4 times natin i-repeat tong 0. Then followed by 4 ones. So binary sequence 000, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Okay. So let's repeat. So A prime B plus B prime C. Okay. So A prime B for this term, A prime B. So A is again A prime B. A is
0 po.
0 and B is 1. So we shall look to the conditions wherein A0, B is 1. So we have 1 here. Okay. So whenever A prime B is condition is being met, so you put an output of, lalagyan natin output dito. Minterms output of
1.
Okay, so we have 1 here. Okay. And then there's another 0, 1. A prime B. So this will be, again, 1. Okay, question? Okay. How about this second term? B prime C. So B prime, B is B prime
Z 0.
0, C
0.
is 1. So whenever B is 0, C is 1, the output is? The output is?
1.
1. Okay, because again, this is in mean terms, okay? So whenever B is 0, C is 1. Okay, this is B prime C. The output is 1. Okay, so where is the other one? So we have here B is 0, C is 1. This is also 1. The rest are? How about the rest?
0.
Okay, so we have 0. 0 here.
And then shift.
Okay? Question. Dali
Ouch.
lang, no? Okay, so this is now the truth table for number 1. How about number 5? Okay, so how many inputs? So, again, this equation, anong equation natin to? What do you call this equation? Standard or canonical? What is this number 1? Standard or canonical form? Okay, so this is a standard form. Okay, so this is a standard form. Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Okay. So number 5 is what form of formula? Standard or canonical? What is this? Okay, canonical form. Okay, canonical form. So, ilan inputs natin dito? It's clearly stated in the equation kung ilan ang inputs natin. Diba? C, okay. C with, ano to? We have inputs, W, X, Y, Z, summation of 0, 2, 6, 10. Okay. Ito tayo. Kasi another mean terms na naman. Dito tayo sa Maxterms. Okay? B, X, Y, Z. So we have inputs. The inputs are X, Y, Z. Then your output is okay. B is a function of X, Y, Z is equal to pi 235. Okay? So ilan ang inputs natin for number 4?
3.
Ilan inputs natin?
3 inputs.
3 inputs pa rin. Okay. So we have 3 inputs again for number 4. But then the inputs, okay, but then the inputs are, it's not A, B, C, rather X,
XY.
Y, Z. Okay. And the output is Output is B.
B.
So that's the output. So burahin lang natin saglit tong B column.
Maxterms on 5. Why can't it be removed this again?
Okay, so we have 2, 3, 5. Okay, so what are these? 3, 5. There are, tawag
Max.
natin dyan. There are Maxterms. Okay. There are Maxterms number. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You remember? Okay. So we have pi of 2, 3, 5. What does it mean? 2, 3, 5. Okay. So number 4 is a canonical form. Maxterm, minterms. What is this? Minterm, maxterms.
Maxterms.
Okay. So the given is maxterms. So maxterms corresponds to output of
0.
0 po.
0.
corresponds to output of 0. So meaning with this maxterms number, so we shall have output of, what will be our output for 2, 3, 5? What will be our output for maxterms 2, 3, and 5?
0 po.
Okay, so we shall have 0 here. Okay. So you have for maxterms 2, so you shall have an output of 0. Maxterms 3, so you shall have an output of 0. And for finally for maxterms 5, so you shall have an output of 0. The rest are 1. Okay, so we shall have 1 here. Okay. Question? Question, class? Let's do number 2. How about number 2 here? AB prime C plus BD. How many inputs? For number 2, how many inputs?
4 po. 4.
Okay, so we have 4. Okay, so we now have 4 here. What are the inputs?
A, B, C, and D.
Ano inputs natin?
A, B,
A, B, C,
D.
and D. Okay, so we shall have inputs A, B, C, D. Okay, so we shall have D here. And the outputs, ano output natin? Is
Z.
J.
Okay. Okay, so we have an output of Z. So we have 4 inputs now. 2 to the 4. How many possibilities? 2 to the 4. 2 raised to 4.
16.
16.
16 po.
Okay, so we shall have 16. Okay, so so 8 more. 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. So again, we'll start with yan, rewrite natin itong okay, so ito 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3. So we shall repeat the pattern 0, 1, 0, 1. Once 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Synthesis lang, no? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then next, second column, repeat 0, 0, 1 twice. 2 to the 1, 2. So, twice na dire-repeat yung 0, then 1, then 0, and 1 again, 0, 1, then 0. Okay. For third column, 2 to the 2. So, 4 times, 4, 0, 4 ones, then 4, 0 again, then 4 ones.
Yung 8.
Then last, we have 2 to the 3. So, 8 zeros. Followed by 8 ones. Na kayo? Wala naman nagkakasakit sa inyo. Okay. Tama na ba? Okay. Lang yan, no? Sequence natin 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 11, 0, 100, 0, 101, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,000, 1,000, 10, 10, 10, 11, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. Question? Question? None?
Lagi po ba mag-start sa dulo, ma'am? Papunta
Lagi?
sa A. Laging papunta sa, ay start sa dulo po.
Ano lang?
Kung magpa-pattern.
Nag-focus ako.
Hindi ko naintindihan. Ano yung sa dulo?
I mean po, laging start sa kung ano yung last term po kapag magpa-pattern. Kunwari, letter D po yung last. Then papuntang A. Hindi po siya yung A papuntang D.
DCBA dito. D, halimbawa, imbis sa ABCD, gawin natin DCBA. Tama ba?
Po, yung start po ng pattern.
Basta dito sa column na to, laging
Ay,
alternate lang yan. 0, 1, 0,
Okay
1,
po.
0, 1, 0, 1. Tapos, tong second bit or second column, you have to repeat 0 twice, then 1 twice. Dalawang 0, dalawang 1, dalawang 0, dalawang 1. Ganun. Ito naman, we have 4 times. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. Then you have, for this column, repeat the 0 8 times. Okay. 8 zeros, 8 ones. Okay. Halimbawa, may fifth column ka pa dito. So, 2 to the, ilan na? 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 to the 4, 16 na, 16. So, 16 zeros followed by 16 ones. So, ilang possibilities yan? 32 na. 32 possibilities.
Okay po.
Di 16 zeros, 16 ones. Ito, itutuloy mo lang din. 8 zeros, 8 ones. Dito naman, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Dito alternate. Okay?
Okay po.
Okay. So, sabi dito, A, B prime, C. Minterms pa rin to, no? Number 2. It's still minterms.
Yes po.
Okay, minterms. Again, it corresponds to output of
1.
output of 1. Okay? So, A, B prime, C, meaning A is 0 or 1.
1.
Okay, A is 1, B is, B prime, B is
0.
0, and C is 1. So, hahanapin natin when A is 1, B is 0, C is 1. So, 1, 0, 1. So, whenever the condition is 1, 0, 1, so we'll have an output of, ano output niyan? A, B prime, C. Ano
1
output
po.
niya? Ha? Again?
1.
Okay, output
1.
of 1. So, 1, 0, 1. So, hanapin natin. 1, so wala dito, 'di ba? Kasi 0 siya. So 1, 0, 1. Okay, so we have this 1, 0, 1. Okay? A, B prime, C. So we have an output of 1. Then you have another one here. 1, 0, 1. So A, B prime, C. Okay? So we shall have an output of 1. Meron pa ba? Wala na, no? Kasi this is 100. This is also 100. So we only have two possibilities for A, B prime, C. How about for BD? Okay? BD, another term, BD.
1,
So
1,
meaning B is 1, D is 1.
1,
So whenever we see B is 1, D is 1, so we shall have an output of
1.
1. So hanapin natin B is 1. Okay, so starting here, B is 1, D is 1. So ito hindi. Kasi this is 0. Okay, B is 1, D is 1. Okay, so satisfied. So we shall have an output of 1. Okay, okay, so we have another B is 1 here, but the D is 0. So that's not it. So we have B is 1, D is 1. So we have an output of 1. Tama ba? Do you follow?
Meron pa man sa baba, ma'am. Oh.
Oh yeah, we're not yet done. Okay. Okay, so we have B is 1, but D is 0. So that's not it. So we have B is 1, D is 1. So we have 1. Okay. And we have B is 1, D is 0. So hindi. B is 1, D is 1. Okay, so we shall have an output of 1. Okay. So for Z is AB prime C plus PD. So we have 6 output of 1s. The rest are 0. Okay. The rest are zeros. Okay? Okay, so ayan. Okay. Going back here, okay? So we now have the simplified na ito, no? Hindi na siya masisimplify. Okay. 2, 3, 5. Okay, so question. Question, class? Question before we proceed? So that's how you generate the truth table given the expression. Because usually, given the truth table, then you have to determine the Boolean equation. So reverse yung ginawa natin sa letter B. Can we proceed now for letter C?
Sige po, ma'am.
Question, class?
Sige po, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Ayan. So C is pretty much the same as letter B. Okay. But we have to simplify now the Boolean theorem. So puro canonical forms na yung given dito. So, okay. So dito makikita natin ilan na agad yung inputs. So here we have XYZ. So 3 inputs, dito naman 4 inputs. So kita na siya agad, no? So let's have an example here. Copy. Okay. So let's answer number 1. Okay. We have inputs XYZ, the output is A. So we have to change A here. Okay. So sabi dyan, a function of A with inputs of XYZ is equal to pi 017. So pi, so meaning this is Minterm Maxterms. Pi.
Maxterm po.
Okay.
Maxterms.
Maxterms. Okay. Output of Maxterms, output of?
0 po.
Okay,
0.
output of 0. So we shall have an output of 0 for this Maxterms number. So we have 0. Okay, for Maxterms 0, so we have 0. Maxterms 1, we have 0. And Maxterms 7, so we have 0. The rest are 1. Okay. It says here simplify. Okay, so how do we simplify? So you may use Maxterms or Minterms. Okay, so let's try to use Maxterms here for A. Okay, A is equal to, so we have Maxterms x plus y plus z. Okay, then for 1, so we have Maxterms 1, so x is 0, y 0, z is 1, so we have x plus y, x plus y plus z prime. Okay, and lastly we have x is 1, Maxterm 7, x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, so we have x prime plus y prime plus z prime. Okay? Okay, so again, so we distribute these two terms first. Okay, ito muna. The first two terms first. Okay, so let's try. Distribute x. Okay, so such that it becomes xx plus xy plus xz prime. Okay, xx, xy, xz prime. Next, distribute y. So we have xy, then yy, okay, sorry, yy plus yz prime. Okay. Last, we have z, distribute z. So we have xz plus yz plus zz prime, Okay. So we have here, yan, na-distribute na natin. Okay. Then, still, copy lang natin yung third term. Plus y prime plus z prime. Okay. Okay. Next. xx is, what is a simplified version of x times x? X times x, class.
X squared.
X po.
X, ma'am.
X. X. Then, let's just copy xy plus xz prime. And then we have another xy here. Meron na tayong xy. So, xy plus xy is xy. Ano pa? Yy. Yy is?
Y po, ma'am. Y.
Okay. Kahit na ilang y pa yan. So, still is only one. Okay? Yy is y. Okay? Plus yz prime. Copy. Plus xz. Then you have another yz. Okay? Yz. Tama ba?